my loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can already tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys a full glam and how I achieved this look. But before we get into that, can I just say a huge thank you to everybody that supported this channel since we got back. Everybody that's reposted my video on your WhatsApp stories, on your Instagram stories, if you've tagged your friend to subscribe to my channel, whatever it is, I really appreciate every single person. Even if it's just watching my videos, I honestly appreciate it. So thank you so much, guys. Let's keep the energy going and try to, you know, level up this channel, guys. At the end of this video, I'm obviously going to be announcing the terms of the giveaway, people. So you better watch this video till the end. But for now, if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already have my eyebrows done off camera. If you guys want to see how I do my brows, just type that in the comment section below. I'll create a separate video where I just do a quick eyebrow tutorial and I'll show you guys how I usually get my brows done. Alrighty guys, so we'll start the face off with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer right there. Alrighty, so the primer is all dried up. Next, so yeah, we're going in with this Fenty foundation. I will link everything in the description, so do not worry. We're going with this NK4 brush from the Vicabel set, and okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my brush because I like to use the brush damp, and then go ahead and blend that out. That's how we're looking. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the concealer. I really don't want this video to be too long, so I might speed through some process. But yeah, we have the foundation on already. I will go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I love this concealer. I've always had this concealer for, like, I don't know, I've always used this concealer. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's okay, yeah, that's it right there. Okay, so we will go in with that. I'll definitely put some of that on my eyelids as well, so that would sort of serve as a base for the eyeshadow. Don't worry for looking crazy, we will blend it all out. So I'm gonna take my Vicabel Beauty Blender. At this point, you should already know this is my favorite brand. So I'm gonna take my Vicabel Beauty Blender and I will spray it with that initial spray I used earlier, and just to make it a bit damp. So I like to use a beauty blender and then I go back in with my brush to sort of blend everything out. This one I honestly don't do much. I just try to blend out this top bit just so like there's no obvious harsh line. I hope you guys can see what I've just done. is what I do with that. So we're done with that. Now we're gonna move on up to the eyes. I will blend my eyes first because why not? So that just also gives the concealer time to sort of dry out just a little bit, so I can get more coverage from that. I blend that out last. See how that's already serving as a base for when I go in with my matte eyeshadows, because the eyeshadows are matte, right? So you want them to have a base or something to hold on to so that the colors can come out popping. I hope what I'm saying makes sense. And now we're gonna go into the major blending. I'm gonna wet my sponge again because I'm obsessed. Okay. Okay guys, I'll be going in to blend my transition color with my NK brush again, like Vicabel. First of all, this video is not sponsored by Vicabel, in case you were wondering. This is just my review because I use this product basically every day in my makeup routine. So yeah, of course I will rave about it. So first of all, I'm gonna blend out or sort of dust out the setting powder that I already have on there. I will go in with this. I don't want to go in with like a crazy brown shade, but I'll go in with this shade over here. It's sort of like an orange shade, but I'm just going to be very light-handed with it. I don't want anything too crazy, but we'll go in with this one here. Gonna go in with that brown shade I was running away from earlier, just a teeny tiny bit of that, just a little bit, just a little bit. So like I'm just padding the shadow on. Honestly, I'm not gonna put too. So I decided to go in with the cute pink color. Soft glam with a pop of color. Okay, that's it guys. That's it for the eyes. That's all I'm going to do. Again, like I don't think I'm going to put any eyeliner on. I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the rest of the powder on my face and stop looking crazy and put my lashes on off camera, and I shall be back with you. Alrighty guys, so we have the lashes on. I just went ahead to blend out the rest of the powder on my face. Well, I didn't like blend it out. I just like go in like padding motion and just sort of pat it in, really is what I do. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me. I hope you guys can see. I've always had this anyway. I always use this. I hope you guys can see. Okay, anyways, I will link it in the description below. So this is a much darker shade. It's like my color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just pat that into my face. For that, I will be using the NK01 brush. My brushes are not so clean. Well, the handles are not so clean. So yeah, this is the brush that we're gonna be using to blend that out. It's very fluffy. I will dust that off, and then I will use that to blend out the rest of my face so there are no harsh lines. I'm just gonna grab this. So I'm just going very light-handed on it, or with it. I'm going very light-handed with it. You guys, I apologize for the noise coming from upstairs. My children think this house is made of, I don't know, maybe stone from the Stone Ages. And we'll take that up here and also take a little bit and put on my nose. Okay, let us spray that. Of course, again, I'm using my NK brush. Why am I dancing? I don't know, but the look is given, so I'm gonna dance. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in. I've had this brush for like ever, and I will not replace it. It is what it is. It works, so I'll keep it. So yeah, this is what we're doing with that. I love how the nose is coming out. I'm just gonna sort of blend that into my eyebrows here to make sure everything's looking simple. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look as much as I did, and I hope that you also try to recreate this look or something similar as well. If you do, definitely be sure to let me know in the comments or tag me on the post or something. Alrighty guys, so it is time for the giveaway announcement, you guys. So I'm going to be announcing the terms for the giveaway. So first, I'm going to say this this giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube. It is not sponsored by any brand at all. This is solely coming out of my pocket to you guys. For you to enter for the giveaway, you just need to do two things really to submit an entry for the giveaway. First, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and secondly, you need to repost this video when I drop this video on your Instagram stories and tag me. That way I can see that you reposted it, because that's the only way I can see who's reposted a link to this video. If you don't know how to repost a video or a link to your stories, all you need to do is go to the bottom of this video and click on the three dots somewhere at the side, here or here, and then it's gonna say share. So click on share and it will say copy link. So copy the link, take it over to your Instagram stories and paste the link on your Instagram stories, and make sure you tag me, like I said, because that's the only way I can see that you've submitted an entry for the giveaway. So yeah, those are the only two terms to win this giveaway. So it could be anybody, and you could have multiple entries as well. So as many times as you repost the video, that sort of counts as an entry into the giveaway. So you can have multiple entries into the giveaway. So like I said, I'm going to choose two winners, of course, very randomly with a randomizer at the end of this giveaway. And also let me mention, this giveaway is going to be open for, well, I will put all the terms in the description anyway, so in case you miss anything in the video, just read the description and you understand how you can enter. I'll also make a video on my Instagram and post it on my stories, so you can also go over there as well. This giveaway is going to be open for 2 weeks, right? So today is going to be the 17th of January, and we're going to close the giveaway on the 31st of January. So you have from now till the 31st to submit all your entries for the giveaway. What you're going to get in the giveaway, I want to make sure I clearly state the prizes, so to speak. So that is, you could either get a Vicabal brush set with all the brushes you need to get your makeup done and beauty blender set, or you could get a $50 prepaid gift card. So either way, whatever you choose. So when I choose the winners for the giveaway, you can tell me what you want, and then that is what you're going to get. Guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Like I always say, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and join the family. There's a lot of fun stuff to come, and also keep posting what you want to see in the comment section below. I already had a few people post in the comments about what they want to see next, so I'll definitely be working on those videos. So keep posting what you want to see next in the comment section below. The eyeshadow I used to achieve this look is going to be linked in my Amazon storefront, so make sure you look in the description box and click on that if you like this the eyeshadow palette I showed you earlier and you wanted to purchase that. Go ahead and click the link in the description box as well. I'll have that linked down below, and all the items used like foundation and stuff, I will have those linked in the description as well. But yeah, for now I think that's pretty much all I have for you guys today, my loves. Thank you again for being here watching till the end. You already know how much I love you guys. Be sure to share this video on your social media. For anybody that's interested in winning any of the prizes that I've listed earlier, be sure to share this giveaway on your social media, okay? Do not miss that chance. So thank you so much for being here. I will catch you in my next video. I love you guys. Make sure you share this video. Do not forget. I will see you in my next one, guys. I love you so much. Bye.